Here we go, guys. I'm back once again, but this time not with a side hustle. This time I'm back with something different, something very interesting. Okay, what we are going to do is today is that, guys, we are going to check if your job will be taken by a robot in the future or not. Oh, yeah, that's scary, not interesting. Okay, there is a website, guys. It's called willrobotstakemyjob.com. Okay, let's go to this website. Here it is. Let's put a basic one, customer service. Okay, it's giving you few options here. Let's check this one, customer service representative. It shows 55%. 55% of the jobs will be taken by robots. The customer service jobs, guys, the customer service. The guys with the customer service job, be scared. Be very scared, guys. Start developing your skills. Let's see the comments. Based on the study and replaced by robots, artificial intelligence. It says in fact 65% here, guys. Here it is, 65% within the next 2 decades. Okay, let's not be scared. That's too far. Let's enjoy our life, guys. Okay. Now it gives you further data here. Robots are watching. That's the risk level here. Yeah, but we still got time, guys. That's it, guys. You can put in the job. You have the title, different kinds of title. You can check what kind of jobs will be taken completely or the percentage. One interesting website. Share it with your friends and family. Have a laugh or whatever, guys. I'm signing out. Have a great day. Cheers.